496 km/h. That's not speed, that's history. This is the Yangwang U9 2025, the world's fastest car. With a carbon fiber body and aerodynamic curves, every detail is built for speed and style. It's futuristic, aggressive, and engineered to cut through the wind. But it's what's under the hood that truly matters. Powered by 4 electric motors, the U9 delivers over 1,300 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.9 seconds, faster than most rockets off the line. This is the true definition of hypercar performance. Now let's talk about that top speed, 496 kilometers per hour. That's almost 310 miles per hour. It's a record-breaking feat that pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering. The previous record holder, the SSC Tuatara, was clocked at a mind-boggling 508 kilometers per hour, and now the U9 has taken the crown. But speed isn't everything. The U9 offers a glimpse into the future of driving with a fully digital cockpit, AI-assisted driving, and adaptive suspension. Every curve, every twist and turn is met with precision handling and control. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. And let's not forget the design. It's a head-turner. From the sleek, flowing lines to the sharp, edgy details, the U9 looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The front and rear lights are designed to intimidate. And the massive rear wing isn't just for show. It's there to keep the car planted to the road at those insane speeds. The Yangwang U9 2025 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a bold declaration that China is on the map when it comes to high-performance vehicles. With a top speed of 496 km/h, it doesn't just compete, it dominates. The future of speed is here, and it's Chinese. And that's all for today. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.